Where's the alarm? Gotta turn it off. Let's see what's new in the world today. Nothing interesting. Oh well. Well, time to wake up. Oh, okay. But I first want to do my bed. Okay, well, I'm gonna go brush my teeth and have breakfast because I am starving. Good morning, sisters! It's time to get up. We don't want to be late for our flight this morning, so get up, everyone. Ugh, I don't want to get up. Oh, dang it! I forgot we were gonna have the flight this morning, so I didn't sleep. I stayed up like all night. OMG! Yay! I am so excited for this trip. I went to bed at 7 p.m. and I slept all night, so I'm so ready for this trip. Yay! Chelsea, you're literally not helping right now. Wow. Okay, guys, be sure to pack very light because this is a very little trip. So, like, don't bring really big suitcases and everything. You guys could just, like, bring those little backpacks that I got for you. And after you're done, brush your teeth and go downstairs because Grandma's preparing breakfast and that's where I'm going to see you guys. Bye! OMG, breakfast! I'm starving! I'm going to go quickly brush my teeth and go eat so that I could be first. Go ahead. I'll just get some extra sleep while you're doing that. You could start packing, which is what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, all done. Nice and minty. Good morning, Grandma. Wow, it smells so amazing. Good morning, dear. The table is ready. Go have a seat. Oh, wow, Grandma, how are you able to do this all by yourself? Oh, darling, I got my ways. Oh, wow, I, literally don't know where to start. Thanks, Grandma, you're the best. Oh, thank you, dear. Did your sisters wake up? Yeah, they're up. I woke them up. Oh, okay. Is Kane gonna be here? Yeah, he should be here soon. I'm sure he's on his way. Hey, look who's here. Oh, hi, Ken. There you are. Come have a seat. Breakfast is ready. Look at what Grandma prepared. Wow, that's amazing, and it smells so good. But I want some orange juice, so I'm gonna get some in the fridge real quick. Alright, everybody, enjoy your breakfast. Thank you, Grandma. Thank you, Grandma. Thank you. Thanks. Thank you, Grandma. Oh, of course, my dears. Enjoy. Okay, now it's time to pack. And I want to pack really light since it's a quick trip. I'm going to bring some money, of course. My traveling toothpaste. My traveling toothbrush. Some sunscreen to keep me safe from the sun. my traveling hairbrush, some face lotion, and some extra toothpaste, some deodorant, and my ID, and some wet wipes, and also this little notebook, and my traveling journal so I can take notes of everything I see. And that is everything for essentials and toiletries. Okay, now pack the clothing. Okay, I'm gonna take this shirt. It's one of my favorites. And it looks super cute for vacation. This dress on top of it. And I think this, this I'm gonna wear to the airport. And my swimsuit. And my outfit is ready. I'm also going to get my visor, this neck pillow for the airport, my big bag with all my essentials and documents and like wallet, and these two cute little baggies. All right, well, let's head to the airport. Phew, okay, Ken, we're finally on the plane.
Yep, no more worries, just enjoy the plane.
Well, like, we haven't taken off yet, but I guess you're right.
Are you sure your sisters are okay by themselves in the other room?
Yeah, I'm sure they're fine, and they can watch movies 24/7. Attention, ladies and gentlemen, please be sure to tighten up your seatbelts and not walk around the plane. We are taking off. Phew, there we go. Attention, ladies and gentlemen, we are now in clear air. Now you can peacefully move around the plane. Thank you so much for flying Barbie's Awesome Airlines. Hello there. Is there anything that I could get you two to eat? Well, I just had breakfast, so I'm kind of full, but I was wondering if you have any, like, coffees, like iced coffees? Yeah, we do. Oh, can I please have a strawberry flavor?
Oh, and I'm full too, and could I just have like a green tea, please?
Yes, of course. Coming right up. I'm just gonna work on my computer real quick while I'm waiting. Here you two are. Enjoy. Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh, and could I also please have a blanket? I'm a little bit cold. Oh yeah, of course. I'll be right back. They're so good.
For sure, for sure.
Here you go, ma'am. Let me know if you need anything else. Okay, thank you so much. All right, Ken, I'm gonna take a quick little nap. Wake me up when we're here.
Okay, we just flew up, but okay. Enjoy your sleep. Whoa, how fast did she fall asleep? And she says she doesn't snore.